Good afternoon. Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington. The main highlights for the upcoming week start off with warm and dry conditions with the likelihood for record-breaking heat. A cold front arrives Wednesday, initiating a cool down. Showers and thunderstorms will be possible during this transition, as well as gusty winds. It will feel a lot more like spring by the end of the week and into the weekend as high pressure is replaced by a cooler trough of low pressure from the Gulf of Alaska. The system will bring a chance of showers and storms, with the best shot arriving around Wednesday. Overall, impacts will be low. Here is a list of records that were broken on Sunday. Feel free to pause this video and take a closer look. Many records could be broken this afternoon and again Tuesday. Here is a list of those cities with the forecast and previous record listed. Again, feel free to pause the video and take a look at these values a little closer. Tuesday will also be hot, but we expect temperatures to cool about 2 to 4 degrees from what we feel on Monday. Many folks will barely feel the difference though, as these temperatures are still 20 to 25 degrees above normal. Remember, these temperatures can be dangerous to sensitive groups, those partaking in strenuous activity, and our little loved and furry ones, especially if left in a car. Please share this graphic or spread the word related to heat safety. The warm temperatures will continue to deplete the high elevation snowpack in the Cascades and has led to significant rises on the Stehekin River located near the Cascade crest on the western shores of Lake Chelan. As the remaining snow melts, the river is expected to rise just beneath or to minor flood stage around 24 feet. At this stage, the river may be out of its banks and onto Stehekin Valley Road and Company Creek Road. The heat is also having impacts on the dryness levels of our fuels, increasing the risk for wildland fires. The fire weather zones indicated by the areas shaded in red have reached critical dryness levels and will be monitored closely for critical weather patterns such as strong winds, low humidity, or an abundant lightning episode. Bordering zones with the flame icon are also closed and would be considered if the weather parameters were strong enough. The dry and warm spring is responsible for this fuel status, which is generally running about 2 to 3 weeks ahead of schedule. With that being said, we are monitoring a marginal setup for each Monday and Tuesday afternoons, which will feature a slight bump in Cascade Gap winds. Speeds which will not meet criteria or critical thresholds, but carry the potential to gust 20 to 25 miles per hour, roughly between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. each afternoon and evening. This includes locations like Ellensburg, Wenatchee, and Waterville. A cold front will finally bring an end to the heat Wednesday, but with any air mass change there must be winds. Look for gusty winds across the entire basin, through the Cascade Gaps, Palouse, and into the West Plains. Humidity levels will be on an increase, but may flirt within a few percentages of critical thresholds, especially in the basin, which will elevate the risk for spreading brush fires. Use caution on Wednesday. Gusts through the day will be on the order of 25 to 30 miles per hour. The precipitation forecast for the week carries low confidence on exact details. The breakdown of this warm pattern is slow enough where our concern for severe storms is decreasing. However, there will be a chance for showers and storms just about every day from Tuesday through Friday, with the best chance arriving in with the cold front Wednesday. On most days, the best chance for storms will be down in the red area. For Wednesday, this graphic summarizes the thunderstorm probability. Locations in the red have a small chance for even a few stronger storms, capable of gusty winds and small hail. The CPC outlook favors low pressure lingering over the Pacific Northwest, delivering a better chance for cooler temperatures and near to above normal precipitation for the period from June 15th through the 20th. Thank you for tuning in to our weekly weather briefing for this week. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, in addition to our webpage at weather.gov/Spokane. Enjoy the week.